Yesu.
Pilate trying to judge with justice. But there was a crowd. As the Magana have a saying, the king does not kill, but as you hear that proverb. There is that mob that keeps shouting so that the king does their will. And Pilate said, you people, this person is not of my Jesus. You take him to King Herod. And King Herod brought him back. And Pilate said, this guy is not. They turned him into football. And the voices arose. And Pilate reached a moment where he had no choice. Because they asked Pilate to give them a Samson. They wanted to get somebody else. When the vote was cast, it was got on Jesus. It fell on Jesus to be crucified. This world has never been fair. The world is not merciful. The world does not forgive. The world can live and go with the bad. They gave him Jesus, who was innocent, who had no sin, who had never sinned, who had never stolen. And they asked for Barabbas. The murderer. And he was arrested. And he had been convicted of cases. But the crowd said, release Barabbas. Barabbas. And they said, Jesus, crucify him. Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus. Without any mercy or kindness.